New measles cases are being reported in different states. The Kentucky Department of Health says at least one person has been infected there, and several people have also contracted the disease in New Jersey and New Mexico.
The cases are causing concern as the outbreak in West Texas grows. This week, one unvaccinated child died there from the measles. ABC's Rena Roy has the latest.
A growing number of states reporting cases of measles, some areas seeing the disease for the first time in years. In Kentucky, the Department of Public Health reporting the first measles case since 2023, saying a person tested positive for the virus after recently traveling abroad to an area with ongoing measles transmission. They say the infected person went to a Planet Fitness in Frankfurt while infectious, saying anyone who was there at the same time may have been exposed. Several cases also reported in New Jersey. At least 2 new measles cases have been linked to an unvaccinated patient in Bergen County, just outside of New York City, who may have exposed people at several health facilities this month. The health department saying all 3 are unvaccinated. 2 are from the same family, so health officials say they're hopeful public spread is limited. In New York City, 2 cases reported so far this year. The State Department of Health issuing a public service announcement reminding New Yorkers to vaccinate their children, with state vaccination rates falling below the necessary level to protect communities. 9 cases also reported in New Mexico.
Measles is really good at spreading from person to person. It is the most contagious infection that exists on this earth currently, and it is so important that we treat it seriously.
Health officials have not found any links between these cases and the outbreak in West Texas. An unvaccinated school-aged child in Lubbock becoming the first person in the U.S. to die from measles in a decade.
We are now seeing a very serious consequence of what happens when we have measles in our community.
More than 120 people in the region have been infected. Doctors in Texas say they've admitted more than 20 kids to Covenant Children's Hospital in Lubbock, almost all of them either unvaccinated or their vaccine status unknown.
Health experts say having 2 doses can give you 97% lifetime immunity. Doctors urging those who haven't been vaccinated to get those shots as soon as possible. Rena Roy, ABC News, New York.
And the FDA just canceled an annual meeting to select flu strains for next season's flu shots. It's unclear why. Neither the FDA nor the Department of Health and Human Services have said anything about the cancellation. It comes as Americans face a particularly severe flu season. It also comes after the CDC abruptly postponed a vaccine advisory committee meeting.